Presenting HP Neverstop 1200w Print, Copy, Scan, Wi-Fi Laser Printer in the color white and grey. The printer comes in 4 pattern variants of printer and printer plus copier paper combo of 70 GSM, printer plus copier paper combo of 75 GSM, and printer plus toner reload kit. This versatile printer by HP not only prints but scans and copies as well. This HP printer comes with high-speed USB 2.0 connectivity. You can also connect your smartphone or tablet directly to your printer using direct Wi-Fi and easily print without accessing a network. Just download the HP Smart app and connect through USB to set up your printer in just a few clicks. The printer can print up to 20 pages per minute. It has an input capacity of 150 sheets and output capacity of 100 sheets. The groundbreaking design of this HP Printer Toner Reload Kit helps you get back to printing in 15 seconds. This HP printer supports A6, A5, A4, letter, C5, DL, JIS, B5 paper formats. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.